In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use emphasis animations in PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted to add a little flair to your presentation and really make certain elements stand out, emphasis animations are the perfect tool for you. They allow you to draw attention to text, images, or shapes on your slides, making your presentation not only informative, but also visually captivating. So, let's dive into how you can easily incorporate these eye-catching features into your PowerPoint slides. First, navigate to the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen and launch Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're opening an existing presentation that needs a graphic overhaul or you're starting from scratch with a new one, this is where your creativity can truly come to life. Once you have your presentation open, go ahead and add all your essential content, like photos, tables, or any other pivotal elements you plan to include. By setting a solid foundation, you'll ensure that your animations have prime material to enhance. Now identify the piece of content you want to animate. It could be a text box, a shape, an image, or any object where you'd like to add emphasis. Once you've selected the object, direct your attention to the PowerPoint ribbon at the top of your screen and click on the Animations tab. This tab is your gateway to a variety of animation options that PowerPoint offers, and today we're focusing on emphasis animations. In the Animation Gallery, you'll notice a section dedicated to emphasis effects. They're easily recognizable with their yellow icons. These effects are designed to highlight certain parts of your slide without introducing them or making them disappear, sticking solely to emphasizing what's already there. Some popular options you might encounter are pulse, spin, or color pulse. Each provides a unique way to draw attention, so select the one that best suits your presentation's tone and style. If the standard gallery isn't meeting your needs, click the arrow next to the gallery. This action will reveal more emphasis animations, giving you a broader palette to choose from. Feel free to experiment with different options until you find the one that resonates with the message or sentiment you're trying to convey. Finally, to ensure the animation complements your content as intended, use the Preview button on the Animations tab. Previewing allows you to see your chosen effect in action, showing you precisely how the audience will experience it during your live presentation. And that's it! You've now successfully introduced emphasis animations to your PowerPoint slides, adding a layer of professionalism and engagement. Remember to use these animations sparingly for maximum impact. Whether you're presenting in a boardroom or a classroom, these animations will help you keep your audience's attention right where you want it.